Hello, everybody. This is a brief overview of what a design brief is and how to complete one. So, what you're looking at in front of you is a design brief. This is taken from one of my classes, Woodshop, but a design brief works the same in 6th, 7th, or 8th grade for any project. The goal here is to understand what this thing is, what you need to do on it, and why you need to do it. So, to start off, investigate, plan, create, evaluate. These are the 4 standards that my classes are graded on. In order to get a grade for anything that you make in my class, you have to show evidence of having investigated, evidence of having made a plan, evidence of having created, and evidence of having evaluated. I call those artifacts. As we go through this design brief, I'll point out how each one relates to each standard and explain how you get the grade that you need to do. Remember, this applies to any class, 6th, 7th, or 8th grade with Mr. Schroeder. First thing you'll do is you will list the name of the project, anyone who worked with you. Please also list any materials that you used or tools that you used to create it. Next, Artifact 1. This is where you are going to have to show me that you did some research to try to understand a little bit more about this project. Perhaps you watched a YouTube video. Maybe you did a little bit of research into how to use different tools to accomplish the project. Maybe there was some element of the project that you've researched, maybe alternative designs. For each one, you're going to create a work cited, and that work cited will live in here. In this case, the person went to one site, a YouTube video, and looked at how to build a cutting board, and they created that work cited here. Each class will get a specific video tutorial on how to make a work cited. This is your first grade. This is a test grade. This here is a 3. The next artifact that you must show me is that you did some planning. Now, I'll tell each one of my classes how to plan. It might be, as you see here, orthographic projection drawing. It might be a CAD design on a computer. It may be a model or a mock-up of some sort, but you need to show that you have done some planning. In this case, the student did a plan, and then they took a picture of their plan and uploaded it. That's good enough. That's the second grade, also a 3. Next, for your Artifact 3, documentation of your build, all you need to do is take a picture of your work for the day, and then tell me what date you worked, how much time you spent working, what phase of the design cycle were you in, and what did you do that day. As you can see, this person picked out the wood and figured out the order in which they were going to build. For each day of the project, you complete this and you keep filling it out. As you can see, the work continues on, showing the construction of a cutting board. And there's always going to be a picture of your final project. The 4th and final grade, this is the evaluation phase. This is about as easy as it comes. Take a picture and then show me one aspect of your building technique that shows success. And as you can see, this person talked about that. And then 2 aspects of your overall or build or design that could be improved to show your success. Notice that in each one of these boxes, the student uses full, complete sentences and ends up providing a complete understanding to me that shows grade level writing and thinking. And for that, they're going to receive a 3 or a 4. If you have a question as to what makes the difference between a 3 or a 4, and you don't remember from hearing it in class, please ask Mr. Schroeder. I'm happy to help. I hope that helps you understand what the design brief is and how to fill it out, because remember, every class, 1, 2, 3, 4 standards, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 artifacts. Each artifact is a grade, so 4 grades. Please always come to me with questions if you have them.